Avoid getting ripped off, a guide to understanding this common phrase. Hello, and welcome to our latest video. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase that you might have heard before. Getting ripped off. It's a common expression, especially in conversations about shopping or transactions. Understanding this phrase is not only useful for navigating English-speaking environments but also for protecting yourself in various situations. So, let's get started and explore what it means to get ripped off. Getting ripped off is a slang term that means being cheated or unfairly charged for something. When someone says they got ripped off, they're expressing that they paid too much for a product or service, or they received something of lower quality than they were promised. This phrase can apply to many situations, from buying a car to ordering food in a restaurant. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. Imagine buying a phone online for a certain price, only to find out it's much cheaper in a local store. In this case, you might say you got ripped off by the online seller. Or, if you hire a contractor to paint your house and they do a poor job but still charge you a high fee, that's also getting ripped off. These examples show that getting ripped off involves feelings of dissatisfaction and injustice related to transactions. You can use getting ripped off in informal conversations to describe your experiences or to warn others about certain deals or sellers. It's not typically used in formal settings. Here's how you might use it. I feel like I got ripped off at that electronics store. Be careful when you shop there, you don't want to get ripped off. Remember, it's a phrase that conveys disappointment and sometimes anger, so use it accordingly. To avoid getting ripped off, consider these tips. Do your research before making a purchase. Compare prices and check reviews. Ask for recommendations from friends or family about trustworthy sellers or service providers. Be cautious with deals that seem too good to be true. They often are. By being vigilant and informed, you can protect yourself from being taken advantage of. We hope this video helps you understand what it means to get ripped off and how you can avoid it. Remember, being informed and cautious is key to ensuring fair transactions. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Stay safe and smart in your purchases and interactions.